Hey there, fellow engineers. Ever wondered which engineering jobs will have you rolling in dough? Well, buckle up because I'm about to take you on a wild ride through the top 10 engineering specializations that will make your bank account explode. First up, we have petroleum engineers. These folks are the rock stars of the oil and gas industry. With an average salary of around $137,000 a year, they make sure the black gold keeps flowing. So, if you love getting your hands dirty and don't mind the smell of crude oil, this one's for you. Next, we have software engineers. Ah yes, the wizards behind our favorite apps and websites. With an average salary of $110,000, coding your way to a mansion is definitely a possibility. Plus, you can work from anywhere, beach, mountain, or even your bed. Coming in hot at number 3, aerospace engineers. If you've ever dreamed of sending rockets to space or designing high-flying drones, this is your jam. Expect to earn around $116,000 on average. Houston, we have no problem with that paycheck. Moving on to number 4, we have nuclear engineers. They're the masterminds behind nuclear power plants and medical radiation technology. With an average salary of $113,000, they're not only saving the world, but also stacking cash. Just remember, no glowing in the dark allowed. Number 5, big data engineers. Data is the new oil, and these engineers know how to drill it. With an average salary of $115,000, they're basically the Sherlock Holmes of the digital age. Elementary, my dear Watson, and profitable too. At number 6, let's talk about electrical engineers. From designing circuits to working on power grids, they're the spark that keeps everything running. With an average salary of $101,000, they definitely have the power to light up their bank accounts. Number 7, chemical engineers. Mixing up chemicals and creating new materials, these engineers make about $108,000 a year. If you love chemistry and want your work to explode in a good way, this is for you. Sliding into number 8, civil engineers. These folks build the infrastructure that keeps our world together, roads, bridges, you name it. With an average salary of $87,000, they might not be the highest earners, but they sure do build the foundation of our society. Ninth on our list, biomedical engineers. Combining engineering with medical sciences, they create life-saving devices and innovations. With an average salary of $95,000, they're definitely engineering a healthier and wealthier future. And finally, at number 10, mechanical engineers. The jack of all trades in the engineering world. With an average salary of $90,000, they design everything from engines to elevators. If it moves, they've probably had a hand in it. So there you have it, 10 engineering jobs that can make you rich. Whether you're into coding, building, or even nukes, there's a high-paying job out there with your name on it. Now go forth, engineer your future, and make it rain. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things engineering. Catch you later.